Hi there, I'm Kathy, and welcome back to the Holistic Living series here on the Grace Over Guilt channel. Today's conversation is tender but so important because if you've ever thought, why am I so tired all the time? Or why does my body feel like it's carrying something heavy? Or why am I having these random aches or tightness or fatigue that I can't explain? Then this video is for you. We're talking about how grief, stress, and emotional pain don't just live in our minds or hearts, they live in our bodies too. One of the most important things I've learned, and I want you to know, is this: your body remembers what your mind tries to forget. Grief, anxiety, chronic stress, burnout, trauma. These things don't just affect our thoughts, they affect our nervous system, our hormones, our muscles, our energy levels, our sleep, our immune response. Maybe your shoulders have been clenched for weeks. Maybe your digestion system has been off. Maybe you keep getting sick or feel exhausted no matter how much you rest. Maybe there's a knot in your chest that won't go away. You're not just being dramatic. You're not making it up. You're not broken. You're carrying something real, and your body is speaking on your behalf. Grief isn't just sadness, it's a normal and natural response to loss. And that loss can show up in ways we don't always recognize. Maybe it's chronic fatigue, changes in appetite, tension in the chest, sleep disturbances, increased pain or sensitivity, brain fog or forgetfulness. Whether your grief comes from losing a loved one, a dream, a season of life, or a sense of self, it doesn't just happen, it lands somewhere, often in the body. And that's why holistic healing matters, because your body is part of the healing journey too. Stress is your body's way of protecting you. It's a survival mechanism. But when stress becomes chronic, when your body never gets a break, it stops protecting you and starts hurting you. The constant adrenaline, the cortisol spikes, the racing thoughts, the tight chest, the shallow breathing. We weren't built to live in fight or flight mode forever. That's why slowing down, breathing deep, getting quiet, and honoring rest isn't just self care, it's repair. So, how do we care for a body that's holding so much? You start gently, start slowly, start with compassion. Maybe you stretch in the morning and ask yourself, where am I holding tension today? Place your hand on your chest and say, I am safe, I am supported. Drink warm tea and imagine it soothing the parts of you that feel jagged or raw. Walk without your phone. Let your breath find a rhythm. Let your thoughts wander. Give yourself permission to cry, to nap, to be still, to exhale. You don't have to fix your body. You just have to listen to it and respond with love. Let's release the shame around this. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're carrying a lot. You're navigating pain, transitions, fear, or loss, and your body is doing the best it can to keep up. The goal isn't to push through, the goal is to heal through. And healing starts with awareness, followed by compassion. What's one way your body has been asking for care lately? Or what's something you've noticed physically that might be connected to something emotional? Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it. I want to remind each other that we're not alone. And if this message resonates with you, we've got more tools and gentle guidance at graceoverguilt.org to help you heal body, mind, and spirit. And as always, you are seen, you are loved, you are not alone. Until next time, take care of your heart and take care of each other.